Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about Hora chart, also known as D-2 chart. Hora means hour, is one of the essential parts of analyzing horoscope. D-2 chart is used to analyzing wealth of a person. It is a divisional chart. There are two Horas. One is Sun Hora, another is Moon Hora. If we divide all the signs of a zodiac, then we get one is odd sign, another is even sign. Odd signs means the first, the third, the fifth signs which are not divisible by 2, and even signs number which is divisible by 2. For the odd sign, the planets or any planets which is posited in an odd sign and placed in between 0 to 15 degrees, then it will be in Sun Hora, and if it is in 15 to 30 degrees, then it will be in Moon Hora. Similarly, for even sign, if a planet posited in 0 to 15 degree, then it will be in Moon Hora, and if it is in 15 to 30 degree, then it will be in Sun Hora. To construct a D2 chart, there are two steps. First is the calculate the Lagna Hora, and step 2 is the calculate all the planets Hora. Now let's take this example. In this example, Lagna is 12 degree Gemini. So let's calculate the Hora chart of this native. So Lagna is in Gemini, that is the third sign, which is a odd sign, and degree is 12. So the Lagna of Hora is third signs means it is, and the first half means 15 to means 1 degree to 15 degree is Sun's Hora. So Lagna is in Sun Hora. There are two Hora I already mentioned, Sun Hora and Moon Hora. If Sun is the Lagna, then Moon will be the 12th, or if Moon is the Lagna, then Sun will be the 2nd. Now calculate all others planets. So Lagna is in Sun Hora. Let's take the Sun. Sun is in Leo, which is odd sign, and degree is 4. So first half of the odd sign is in Sun Hora. So Sun will be in Sun. Now Moon. Moon is in Capricorn. That means even sign, and it is in 18 degree. So second part. So Moon is in Sun's Hora. Now Mars. Mars is in Leo, which is odd sign, and Mars degree is 20. That means odd signs second half. That means Mars in Moon Hora. Now Mercury. Mercury is in also Leo and degree is 22. So Mercury is also in Moon's Hora. Now Jupiter. Jupiter is in Aquarius, which is odd sign, and degree is 2. That means Jupiter is in first half of odd sign. That means Jupiter is in Sun's Hora. Now Venus. Venus is in Virgo, means even sign, and degree is 11. That means first part of even sign, which is in Moon's Hora. So Venus is in Moon's Hora. Now Saturn. Saturn is Capricorn, which is an even sign, and degree is 14, means first half. So even sign and first half, that means moon's hora. Saturn is in moon's hora. Now Rahu. Rahu is in Taurus, that means even sign, and 12 degree, that means first half of even sign, that is moon's hora. Now Ketu. Ketu is in Scorpio, which is an even sign, and 12 degree means first half of even sign, that is moon's hora. So this person's D2 chart is constructed. We can see that in Sun is the Lagna, and in Sun's hora there are 3 planets, and in moon's hora there are 6 planets. Number of planets is important. We will see. Now, rules of prediction of D2 chart. If any hora contains 5 or more than 5 planets, then that person will be wealthy. If all the female planets posited in moon hora and all the male planets posited in sun hora, then that person will be wealthy. Here we all know that moon is a female planet and sun is a male planet. So all male planets in male hora and all female planets in female hora. Here one thing I want to mention here, that there are some planets like Saturn and Mercury, we consider it as eunuchs or bilingual planets. In this case, we also consider eunuchs or bilingual planets as female planets. If maximum planets posited in sun hora, then that person will be wealthy, but earning comes in difficulty. If maximum planets posited in moon hora, then that person will be wealthy and earning comes in easily. If second lord of Rashi chart posited in Lagna hora, sun in the above example, then that person will be wealthy by his or her own capability. If second lord of Rashi chart posited in second hora, then that person will get wealth by inheritance. If second lord of Rashi chart posited in 12th hora, then that person will get bankrupt or face lack of wealth at least once in a life. If second lord of Rashi chart and Karak of wealth, that is Jupiter, both posited in same hora, then that person easily earn and enjoys the wealth. If second lord of Rashi chart and Karak of wealth, that is Jupiter, both posited in different hora, then if posited in 1-2 hora relation, then that person spends his or her all life for earning, and if posited in 1-12 relation, then that person enjoys the wealth. If sun is your second hora lord in D2 chart, then sun should be strong in your Rashi chart, else person will face difficulty in earning. If moon is your 12th hora lord in D2 chart, then moon should be weak in your Rashi, else person will face difficulty to enjoy his or her earning. One special note. To determine wealth, we should consider Rashi or D1 chart first. Then, for confirmation, we will consider D2 chart. Don't make judgment of a person's wealth from only D2 chart. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.